Hey, what's up fellas, that's mechanic mode, and I have another car for you guys to watch how I'm gonna fix. And the problem of this car is water. Yeah, always water. Yeah, that's right. Actually, a lot of my videos on my YouTube channels are about flat cars, but it's it's really hard to fix them, and hopefully some of you guys will try to fix as well I'm doing. So this video is gonna help you. um, let me explain you a couple things about this car. Alright guys, so this is 2021 Corolla SE with 4-cylinder 2.0 liters. Yeah, the car looks amazing, has really cool rims on it, and it's this SE emblem in the back with almost sport exhaust, almost, but it's just only on the right side. What about interior? I didn't take anything apart yet, because you guys have to watch me how I'm gonna take everything apart. That's right. So let me show you something important that I already understood, that is the car has water, definitely, and since outside is winter, all this water transformed in ice. So yeah, all right guys, let's kill this car. As you see guys, I removed the seats, lower side seat in the back and these two front seats. Also we removed the lower cover, the plastic covers, all four. And now is the time for the console removal. Let me get closer for you guys to show everything. So we remove this cover. There's 4 bolts of 10 millimeters. Also we have to remove all this plastic trim here, and we have to take the knob out. It has a pin right there which is holding the knob. We also have here 2 covers. Let me remove it. Yeah, so one is on the right side here, another one is on the driver's side. So let me remove this one, so you can see how to take yours out. Alright guys, so let me explain you quick how to remove the console, right? So you have 4 screws here, 10 millimeters. You have 2 screws on a Phillips screwdriver, 2 of them in the front. Also you have 2 covers from the sides in the front, right side, left side. Also you have this one in the middle, which is in the front of it comes the gear, the shifter. The knob has a pin on top which you just lower, you saw on the video before it, and you remove the pin and then you take the knob out. And the most worst part on it is this cover right here. So you have to remove the lower cover there, the driver's side right here, right there, and which is, let me show you, which is this cover. And after that you remove this cover from there, and also I removed the glove box, but I removed the glove box because I needed to check all the wires and the modules under the dash. That's why I removed. But there is no necessity to remove the glove box, to remove this cover, and after to remove the console. So to remove the console you have to remove this cover from here, and you have to, in order to remove everything, you start with this one, the front covers right here, which stays like this, and you end up with this one, and taking the 2 screws in the front of that the whole console, and that's it. It's a done job. Alright, so now we remove the carpet, and the last thing, we clean up everything, so there is no screws and bolts we're checking around. One more, 2 screws and a bolt. And the last thing what we have to do is to remove this one, the trunk opener and the gas door tank. There is a small screw like this, you remove, and then you pull front, and then you can remove them. So let me put this on top. That's it. So we are ready to remove the cover. So basically what we have to do is to open everything to make it ready. We have clips here, right here. Here we go. Okay, we can remove it. Also guys, who needs to remove these covers to check the seat belts, you remove, but you also, if you do also if you don't have to remove these covers, the side seat belt covers, then you just can remove the cover without taking it out, you know what I mean. So how we do this is like this. I'm gonna show you quick. So you lift up the cover a little bit from the under the cover, and that's it. We basically remove all the cover. I did the same on the right side. So let's check the right side for the clips, if you have it, and we have it right here. There's clips, and that's it. We remove this cover so we can pull the cover out. Oh, damn it. We also have another clips here. This is the same here. Okay. Now we're done. Here we go. So let's remove driver's side too. Let's remove the driver's side too, very quietly and careful. So we leave the connectors under the carpet. There we go. All right, guys. So let's remove it. Boom. This is the carpet. So guys, now you can see 2021 Toyota Corolla without the interior, which, yeah, there are still things that you have to remove to get everything out, but now it's quietly very understandable that you just take them everything out, and it's like a Lego. You take this out, that one, everything's like just a big Lego. Also, we have to replace the airbag module. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to remove even this thing here. So yeah, we're gonna remove this thing. So guys, I want to say something, you know, just comment below for the next time if you guys want to see how I'm taking the insulation, airbag module, you know, like things that's really deep, or something more like, you know, dash removal, because somehow my video just they get really long, so people, they get bored or I don't know, tired of watching it. But still, you know, my type of videos, they are informative, and my type of videos, they are informative. And you know, if you really need to work on a car like this, you have to watch the whole video. Otherwise you just can you know, miss something very important, then you're gonna be mad. Yeah, like how I'm doing, you know, I'm watching, I'm trying to figure out how to fix it, and if I miss something, after that you get mad. But still, this is a mechanic part, and we still have to be very patient and keep calm. Alright guys, that was mechanic mode, and this was 2021 Toyota Corolla SE model with interior removal, which the reason was the flood damage. And yeah, we got a lot of water in this car, but everything is fixable. And if you want to see more, or you have any questions, just guys comment below. I'm always receiving comments, but still I want more. I want you guys to be a part of my YouTube channel, so I'm always open to get new ideas and comments from you. I'm ending the video here. See you next time.